English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Activity Book, page 84 and page 85. Unit 6, Lesson 7.
Read "Stay safe on your bike" again and tick yes or no.
One. Our teacher said that bikes are the best toys.
No.
2. It's easy to ride a bike because there are no rules.
No.
3. You should always check your bike before you ride it.
Yes.
4. Wear colourful clothes when you ride your bike.
Yes.
5. Your head is the strongest part of your body.
No.
6. Cars can always see you when you are on a bike.
No.
7. It's good to talk to friends when riding your bike.
No.
8. Don't hold things in your hands when riding your bike.
Yes.
9. You must have good brakes on your bike.
Yes. 'Choose the correct noun for the verb.
One.
You must be careful when you slice onions with a sharp knife.
2.
You must peel an orange before you can eat it.
3.
Grate the cheese before you put it on the pizza.
4.
My sister spread the butter on the sandwich.
5.
It is best to wash vegetables before you start cooking.
6.
Put the flatbread pizza in the oven to bake.
7.
You can mix honey with tea to make a drink for a cough or cold.
The children wrote these rules. Can you complete them?
My two most important rules are: use oven gloves to hold hot things. Amma mustn't play with matches or use sharp knives.
My two most important rules are: Wear a helmet when riding your bike. Use a zebra crossing to cross the road.
My two most important rules are: don't let young children touch hot things like saucepans. Wear bright colours when you ride your bike.
My two most important rules are: check your brakes before you ride your bike. Always put on a seat belt in the car.
Complete the notes. The children's parents left some notes. Some writing is difficult to read. Can you help complete the note?
Hibba, remember that the new knife is very sharp.
Basim, don't hold your books when you ride your bike. Put them in your backpack. Wissam, remember to put on your helmet before you go out on your bike.
Amar, remember that you mustn't be in the kitchen by yourself. Danya, please peel the potatoes and onions for dinner.
Write notes to your brother or sister. Write 3 or 4 sentences.
Ali, don't forget to use a zebra crossing to cross the road safely. Remember to wear your helmet and bright colors when you ride your bike. Always make sure to wear a seat belt when you are traveling in the car.
Mariam, please wash the vegetables before you start cooking the dinner. Don't forget to grate the cheese for the pizza before putting it in the oven to bake. Remember to wear oven gloves if you need to touch the hot saucepans.
Look, say, cover, write, check.
Should, shouldn't, must, mustn't.
Should, shouldn't, must, mustn't.
Should, shouldn't, must, mustn't.